Okay.
Hey, is it recording?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Corinne.
I'm Mariah. And I'm Jasmine.
And we are going to have a mud fight.
Ready?
Ready?
You got it on me.
Guys, wait.
Look at her shirt. It looks like there's mud all over it. We're entering.
I can see that.
No. Okay, guys. Guys, we need more water.
Okay, let's start making more mud. Is it on my face?
It's on me. It's on my face. It's on my face. Okay, guys, come on. Oh, we need more dirt.
Oh!
Don't hurry up! Okay, guys, stop.
Okay, let's make more mud real fast. We need to make mud. We need to make mud.
Why'd you do that to her face? Did it have a lot on it or something?
How much mud is on my face?
You look like Mickey Mouse. Is there any, how much mud?
Oh!
Oh God. Oh, guys, I can't see where I am.
Wait, it's not even near your eyes.
Really?
Yeah.